know that dodging a punch is as simple as holding the matching punch button. But what happens if your opponent knows this too? Not a problem. Unless he has the lightning reflexes of a frightened cat, you can usually dodge right back and keep your combo alive and well. To dodge a dodge, simply hold the matching punch button down the moment your opponent dodges one of your punches. I could do this all day. To parry a parry, do the same thing while also holding down the block button. But be careful. If your opponent also knows this nifty little trick, you're going to have to release your counter punch quickly, or the two of you could end up looking quite ridiculous. Now, what are you going to do if your opponent is smashing buttons like a frenzied rat? You know who you are, Smashers, and shame on you. If you find yourself in the ring with one of these cacophonous savages, here's what you're going to do to send him packing. Anytime you find yourself landing a furious string of uncontested jabs, simply stop punching. Seriously, stop punching. And hold up a parry. Then watch and wonder as the simpleton punches right into your parry like the button-smashing idiot he is. Let's see that again. And again. And again. Putting this all together can be quite scintillating. Remember, kids, button smashing and face breaker is a sure way to lose friends and find yourself on the long road to financial and emotional ruin. So get cracking, Skippy!